Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be doing a full face of first impression slash get ready with me, even though I'm just getting ready to film more videos for today, so. But anyways, yeah, let's just jump right in. Brows on, but I actually don't have a new primer, so I'm just gonna slap one on real quick. So as far as new foundations I have 4. I have been collecting new stuff over the course of a very long time. So I have the new CoverGirl foundation, which is their True Blend Matte May foundation. I have the Ulta Beauty foundation. Can you focus on the product? Thank you. Which is a tinted moisturizer, still too light for my skin tone right now, so I'm going to be using that. I also have the Maybelline Velvet Dream, oh my god, what is this? Dream Velvet Soft Matte Foundation. Hydrating. Matte and hydrating seem like 2 words that don't belong. And then I have the Born This Way foundation. I actually tried this one, really like it. Has a tad bit of transfer. I really want to try the CoverGirl, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna go in with that. I don't know how much to use, so I'm gonna start with 1 pump. Some more. There we go. Whoa, that came out thick. Yeah, let's go with 1 pump. You know what's weird? Every time I go to stores to get color match to foundations, I'm always different. Some places I'm neutral, some places I'm golden. The Born This Way foundation, they gave me a red one. I'm literally like, what is my color? It's just everything. Just gonna blend that foundation in. Okay, I literally went in with like next to nothing, so don't mind if there's no coverage right now. Let me go with a little bit more. I do like it because when you turn it this way, it locks. It's really cool. I went with 1 more pump. Okay, the first pump did not give me this much product. So clearly, it was just the very first pump of the bottle, so probably just didn't do very much. Which, let that be said too, if you ever go to pick out a new foundation, please don't assume that your undertone is always going to match for every single foundation, because they all do make them differently. It's definitely important to test, and if there's someone there who can help you test out, listen to them, take some advice. Like, obviously you know your skin as well, but they can be very, very helpful, because the Sephora employee did not give me that red one. I would not even tested it out. Okay, so this is what the foundation is looking like so far. I actually really like how it's looking. I'm a bit light-handed with foundation, so I do normally use a brush because it doesn't soak up as much as a beauty blender, and it's just faster. I like applying my foundation with a brush. As far as powders, lately Sephora has been actually putting out products that I'm very interested in, which never happens, which is too expensive. But I bought my very first luxury, not just high-end, luxury product, which is this Hourglass Veil Powder. Is that what you call yourself? Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. They didn't have a dark tone, they just had the one, so I picked it up. I did test it in the store. It was fine. It worked. As soon as I put on setting spray, you couldn't even see it. And then I also got the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder, which I hear is amazing. And I'm excited, so I'm going to try both of them. I have tried both of them, but I only tried it once, so I'm still trying to see how I like them. My opinion is still up in the air. But the first time I used them, I did enjoy them, so I have a good feeling about these. So I'm going to go in with the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder first. I like to start on my nose because my nose is very oily, so I want the majority of the product there. My cheeks, they're fine, they do not move, so I won't carry as much there. My forehead, I'll dip back in, put the majority in the center. This powder is just so smooth. Okay. Oh, do you see how that just like perfect veil setting powder now? And it's, look how cute. It's gold and like the holes are in the shape of an H. So, oh my god, there's so much product in there. Oh my god. Get in. A lot of product came out. I'm just going to sweep this across my face. This is a more glowy powder, so it is going to show up glowier on the skin. My skin looks pretty glowy over here actually. It's really hard to tell in these lights, because these lights make everything look glowy. Yeah, I literally cannot tell when I have the lights on. Eyeshadow wise, I have 3 to go through, so look how full this palette is now. I filled it up. I still really wanted like a burnt orange, but I couldn't find one. I bought one from Sephora and I swatched in store and it was definitely burnt orange. When I got home and it was like red, so I'm like, great, it's not in here. But anyways, this row is new. These are ColourPop eyeshadows, so I have those to test out. I also have this new CoverGirl Chocoholic palette, which I think I'm going to save that for another tutorial because I have an idea of what I want to do with that, so stay tuned. I have the Urban Decay, but you guys have already seen that, so we're not going to use this today. And then I have the BH Festival palette, which you guys haven't seen, so I think I'm going to use this. Maybe a few of the ColourPop ones. Before I start with that, I'm going to go in with this tinted eye primer in Satin Blush. This is a primer you can only use for a very specific look. I'll go in with my fingers. The other day, somebody asked me, like, how do I adjust other people's tutorials? Because, like, I really enjoy Jacqueline and Kathleen, and it's clear as day they are not my skin tone. How I adjust their looks when I do them on myself for darker skin tone. And I don't know if you guys want a full tutorial on that, but let me know if you do. But honestly, what I do is if they are using a lighter color, I'll just use a few shades darker so that it goes with my complexion better. And like if they're going to use an orange all over their crease, I'm going to use 3 shades darker. And I've learned a lot about my face through doing makeup. I started off by watching Jacqueline, which she kind of has an oval shaped face, which I don't really have an oval shaped face, but I was able to adjust it for my needs. And also just looking up online, if you just even just going on Google and looking up how to contour different face shapes, it kind of shows you the guidelines, and that's what I use to kind of help adjust different tutorials to my face, which really helped. Okay, this face is very sheer, yet it has a color and glitter. It's confusing. So I'm going to start off with the ColourPop shadows. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Even though I just made that super long. I'm just going to dust this through my crease. And I don't know, just like over time, I learned how to make things work for my face. And, you know, I started to watch Jackie Aina as well. That really helped because we actually have similar skin tones in certain foundations and concealers. So just seeing some of her techniques, really what products work for her, helped me pick out products that would work for me as well. And like, of course, brows, like you can see how somebody fills their brows in, but you really just gotta test it out on yourself because everyone has different shaped brows, different faces. You have to figure out what frames your face best. But you can always use similar techniques. I'm going in with the BH Festival palette. I'm just taking this orange right here. Take it a little bit lower in my crease. We'll see what this look looks like after I'm done. I do not like that base. Nah. So, tinted primer, not for me. At least not that one. It's just really showing up strong under the shadows, which is like, not what I like. Maybe if I used it with a brush, it would have done better, but I'm just not feeling it. So I'm just going with this really metallic shade. Also, Clarice came over this past weekend. She's not sure when I'm posting this video, so it could be 2 weekends ago for all we know. and we had a lot of fun. It's honestly, we filmed some videos. One which is already up on my channel. Actually, hers will probably be up as well once this video is up, because she's, I believe, posting today, which is, I'm filming on Tuesday. And it was a lot of fun. Like, anytime we try to get together, we try to film, but sometimes we forget because we're just like in the moment and we just want to have fun and hang out with each other. It's so much easier when we were living together. We're so far away now. Still try to see each other like once a month. I have a little bit of this darker orange right here. Just gonna take that really close to my crease to help transition those colors. This palette is so pigmented. My gosh. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. So like the first day, which is when we picked her up, which was Friday, we went to Olive Garden. She had never been. She really wanted to go. I think she really enjoyed it. So that was a lot of fun. And the second day, we went shopping. So we saved up for a while beforehand and we went shopping. That was a lot of fun because we really like makeup shopping and clothing shopping together. We have a lot of the same shopping issues. So it's fun going together with somebody who like understands the struggles. Like this, I'm just gonna fix up the liner a little bit because I had liner on from a previous video and now there's shadow over it. Okay, so I touched up the eyeliner. Not perfect, but it works. I'm gonna go in with some mascara and some contour or bronzer. I do have a new mascara, so I have this one from Ulta, which is the Limitless Lash Mascara. But I really am not a fan of it because it's too wet of a formula, so it's very easy to get it everywhere. Literally, I'll be putting it on. I never mess up my mascara when I put it on, like it doesn't, I never get transfer my eyelids or anything. For some reason with this one, it always gets everywhere. It doesn't want to stay on my lashes and I don't like it. And then as far as bronzer contour, I got two. So I have one from e.l.f., which, does this look like this is my color? No. And honestly, it was kind of hard to tell because they didn't have any swatches, so I kind of just picked the darkest one, but even still not dark enough. And then this one from BH Cosmetics had a swatch and it looks so dark. I was like, oh, for me. And then this, like, no, I don't understand. This one's orange, this one's pale. This one at least thought would work out a swatch. Oh, we're not using those. So I'll be back with some lashes and some contour. I actually want to come back on screen because I want to show you guys the new brushes at work. You saw me use that little one to like really carve out the crease, which is from the Jaclyn Hill collection. And then I also got this bronzer brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection. I love this brush. It is so soft. I love it just as much as I love this one, which I use all the time. They're similar in shape. This one is a little smaller width-wise, but I just really love it. And same with that small crease brush. Like, I can just do so many things that I was not able to do before because I didn't have a brush like that. This little crease brush, oh my gosh, does it ever come in handy. Like, if you have smaller eyes, this little crease brushes, I need more in my collection. It just opened up a new world of things I could do. But I want to show you guys this brush in action. Just use it to bronze up the face. I didn't actually use these today because the foundation was pretty much a perfect match, as you can see. These e.l.f. adjusters are really great. So like the yellow tone, the deep, and the tan, those are the ones that I have, really came in handy. I've used them with some other foundations and it makes such a world of difference. They're very, very pigmented, which is the point because they're supposed to adjust the foundation. But I just want to let you guys know what I thought about these. And then for lips, I have many an option. So I have some ColourPop, I have some BHs, I have some NYX, some Morphe, some e.l.f., some Ultas. But for today, I'm gonna actually take the Ulta lipstick first. It's a very sheer lipstick, but it's just like such a nice nude. It's not the greatest, but it goes away very quickly. And I'm just gonna top it off with this e.l.f. lip gloss by Alyssa Ashley. Wants to focus. Focus on me. There we go. There we go. Just dab that in the center. And I'll just buff it out with my finger. I have this blush palette by BH Cosmetics. Let's just say I'm giving this away because the only two colors I can use are these two. But I'm gonna use them anyways. So I'm gonna go with this one because I think this one will look better with our look. This is supposed to be a glowy blush. So we'll see how I feel about that. Actually goes really well with this look. Okay guys, yeah, that actually completes our get ready with me using all these new products. I hope you enjoy seeing these different things and me incorporating some new things in these videos. But anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, the button is below, it's red. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!